Packing for a trip can quickly turn into a chaotic mess. Clothes crammed into every corner, toiletries lost somewhere between your shoes, and a suitcase that barely closes. Packing cubes promise to keep everything neat, organized, and space-efficient. But do they really work? Let's break it down. Packing cubes are small zippered compartments designed to compartmentalize clothing, accessories, and travel essentials. They come in various sizes, materials, and compression options, making them a favorite among frequent travelers. First, the organization factor. Packing cubes help separate different types of clothing, like shirts in one cube, pants in another, and undergarments in a smaller one. This makes it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Second, they maximize space. Compression packing cubes go a step further by reducing bulk. With a double zipper system, they allow you to squeeze out excess air, making room for more items while keeping everything flat and compact. Third, they keep clothes wrinkle-free. Instead of rolling around loosely in your bag, clothes stay folded and neatly packed, reducing wrinkles and making unpacking simpler. Fourth, they simplify unpacking. Once at your destination, instead of dumping everything out, just transfer the cubes directly into drawers or shelves for an instant, organized setup. Not all packing cubes are the same. Budget options are often made from lightweight fabric with mesh tops for breathability, while premium versions use waterproof, durable materials that withstand wear and tear. Some even come with built-in compression features to reduce the size of your packed items further. Packing cubes are a game-changer for travelers looking to stay organized and save space. They streamline packing, protect your clothes, and make unpacking effortless. For those who prefer a neat and stress-free travel experience, packing cubes are definitely worth it.